So welcome back, dear friends. Let's talk about the power console. This console is consist of the throttle, and this is the propeller control. You can make the changes of the blade angle of the propeller from the cockpit, and these are the mixture. So let's start with the mixture. What is the mixture? The mixture is basically give you the pilot the control to control the fuel and air mixture ratio in the cockpit, in the engine. Like you are in the ground, so your mixture is reached. While before the start, we reach the mixture means we control the best configuration of the supply of the fuel and the air during the start off or in the ground operation or up to the same height, up to 3000 feet. We generally fly with the mixture full reach. What happened? So when we climb, gradually the density of air decrease, so the fuel is rich, it became much more richer. The ratio should be 1:16, and when the air became less denser, the ratio is now not in 1:16. It may be the amount of the fuel is now more. It is going more. It may be 1.5:15 or 2:14 or 2:10. It's like that. So we need to control the amount of the fuel to the engine from our carburetor. So when we climb over 3000 feet, we start gradually reducing or linear it, and we set it. We fly this aircraft is unpressurized aircraft, so it fly only up to 10,000 feet. So we adjust, and we see all this adjustment we check it from the cylinder temperature, and there are other indication in the tachometer, and we see there are different aircraft, different system. We have to see where the general practice is that you keep it leaning. The time you see little power is drop, initially the power will be increased, and the point the power will start little drop. At that time you have to fix little richer and fix it. So while also descending, always remember to reach the mixture, because what will happen while you descending, you have reduced the fuel control to the carburetor, to the engine. So what will happen eventually, the ratio of fuel and air will be different configuration now when you descend. So you need to have to richer it, otherwise it will be linear and the engine will stop. Engine will not get the amount of the fuel, because the density is now again change. It is higher denser now while you're descending. So it is higher denser, so we will be facing difficulties if you do not reach it. So 3000 feet full reach, then lean according to your use. Then before landing, while you're descending, you should reach it. This is the mixture. Then we'll come down to other sections. Thank you.